Here I have ONEPLUS 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo, and basically now we can start recording. So I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin. So let's get it. Okay, now we have it, and let's check it out. So as you can see on this video, I spin this toilet paper extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. So yeah, looks so damn cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.